I'm gonna show y'all how to straight wire this Chinese four wheeler because the wiring is shitty, as we all know. The whole four wheeler is shitty, really, except for the engine. The engine's good, but everything else pretty much just falls apart slowly. So, anyways, we'll get to it. This is all you gotta do. You get your solenoid, run your wire off of it. Get you a starter box. Get you a no-co because it's the best. I've had this thing sunk in mud and it just still works. I got my ground hooked up. So power to my solenoid. Got my ground. I just got a zip tied where I can just touch it. And my son broke his wheelie bar, so we finna put a new wheelie bar on it. Alright, that's it. That's how you straight wire it. Works good. We ride it all the time like that. So.